Assalamualaikum students, welcome to MD with Salman. First MCQs. In the electron transport chain, the specific inhibitor that binds to cytochrome A3 and prevents electron transfer to oxygen is. So correct option is cyanide. Cyanide binds inversely to a cytochrome A3 in complex 4, blocking electron transfer to oxygen and stopping ATP production. Next, a patient has blood group AB and needs transfusion. Which blood group can safely donate? So correct option A, only AB. AB positive is universal recipient but only receive from AB due to presence of both A and B antigen and lack of antibodies. Next MCQs. In a dihybrid cross between AABB and AABB, what percentage of offspring will show recessive phenotype of both traits? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए 6.25%. सो इसका जो है ना प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए बी जो है वो 1/16 आएगा. तो बोथ ट्रेट्स होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है विच टाइप ऑफ डीएनए रिपेयर मैकेनिज्म स्पेसिफिकली करेक्ट्स थाइमाइन डायमर्स काज्ड बाय यूवी रेडिएशन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास है बी, न्यूक्लियोटाइड एक्सिजन रिपेयर. न्यूक्लियोटाइड एक्सिजन रिपेयर रिमूव्स एंड रिप्लेसेस oligonucleotides containing thymine dimer and other bulky lessons. Next हमारे पास during strenuous exercise muscle cell switch to anaerobic respiration. The net ATP yield per glucose molecule in this condition is. So correct option हमारे पास है A, 2 ATP. Anaerobic respiration yield only 2 ATP from glycolysis as no Krebs cycle or ATC occur. Next is the in the Hardy-Weinberg equation, if p square is equal to 0.36 for a dominant trait, what is the frequency of heterozygous individuals? So correct option है C, 0.48. p square is equal to 0.36, so p is equal to 0.6. इसका अंडर रूट लेंगे तो 0.6 आएगा एंड q is equal to 0.4. होमोजाइगस फ्रीक्वेंसी 2pq, 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.4, तो हमारे पास 0.8 आएगा. 2 multiplied by 0.6, 0.12, 0.12 multiplied by 4, 0.48. Next, which enzyme is responsible for joining Okazi fragments during DNA replication? So correct option is the DNA ligase. DNA ligase form phosphodiester bond between Okazi fragment on the lagging strand. Next, in C4 plant, the primary carbon dioxide fixation occurring. So correct option B, mesophyll cell by PEP carboxylase. So in C4 plants, initial carbon dioxide fixation occur in mesophyll cells using PEP carboxylase, not Rubisco. Next है the hormone that directly antagonizes insulin's action is. correct option है glucagon. Glucagon directly opposes insulin by stimulating glucogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. Next, which type of selections favor extreme phenotypes over intermediate ones? So correct option हमारे पास है C, disruptive selection. Disruptive selection favor both extreme phenotypes and while selecting against intermediate forms. Next, in the lake operon, when both glucose and lactose are present, so correct option C, only basal level expressions occur. Glucose causes catabolic repressions through CAMP reductions, allowing only basal expression despite lactose presence. Next, the specific structure that prevents food from entering the trachea during swallowing. So correct option है B, epiglottis. Epiglottis cover the glottis tracheal opening during the swelling to prevent food aspiration. Next, which type of immunity is transferred through colostrum to newborns? So passive natural immunity है ये. Colostrum provide antibodies LGA naturally, making it a passive natural immunity. Next, in photosynthesis, the primary electron donor for photosystem 2 is, तो 2 जो है वो वाटर है. नेक्स्ट है photosynthesis 2 oxidize water producing oxygen and providing electron for the electron transport chain. नेक्स्ट है the genetic disorder caused by trisomy of chromosome 21 is. so ये हमारे पास है डाउन सिंड्रोम. correct option C. Down syndrome result from trisomy 21, 3 copies of chromosome mean 21. Next, which part of nephron is impermeable to water but actively transports salts? So correct option C, ascending limb of loop of Henle. Thick ascending limb is impermeable to water but actively reabsorb sodium chloride. Next specific type of RNA that carries amino acid to the ribosome is the, so this is transport RNA. Transfer RNA carries specific amino acid to the ribosome during protein synthesis. Next, in population genetics, the term founder effect refer to new population established by few individuals. Founder effect occurs when a new population is started, a small number of individuals from a larger population. Next है, which plant hormone is primarily responsible for apical dominance? So correct option C, auxin. Auxin produced in apical meristem inhibits lateral bud growth, maintaining apical dominance. Next, specific cells in the pancreas that produce glucagon are, so correct option A, alpha cells. Alpha cells of pancreatic isolates produce glucagon to raise blood glucose level. Next हमारे पास है DNA replication. The enzyme remove RNA primers and replace them with DNA. So correct option A, DNA polymerase 1. DNA polymerase 1 has 5 to 3 exonuclease activity to remove RNA polymer and replace them with DNA. The specific type of joint present between skull bones is, so correct option B, fibrous joint. Skull bones are connected by fibrous joints called sutures, which are immovable. Next, which process occur during prophase 1 of meiosis but not during mitotic prophase? So correct option C, synapses and crossing over. Synapses, pairing of homologous chromosome, and crossing over occur only in prophase 1 of meiosis. Next, which specific region of brain that regulate body temperature is regulated by hypothalamus. Next है, hypothalamus acts as a body's thermostat regulating temperature through various mechanisms. Next, in the ABO blood group system, a person with genotype IAI has blood group, so correct option A. IA is dominant over I, so I genotype result in blood group A phenotype. Next है, a specific type of ecological successions that begins on bare rock is, so correct option A, primary successions. Primary succession starts on surfaces lacking soil such as bare rock exposed by glaciers or volcanic activity. Next, which enzyme is responsible for unwinding the DNA double helix during replications? So correct option है helicase B. Helicase break hydrogen bond between base pairs, unwinding the DNA double helix. Next है, the specific cell in the testes that produce testosterone are, so correct option B, Leydig cells. Next है, Leydig industrial cells in the testes produce testosterone in response to luteinizing hormone. Next, in the cardiac cycle, the phase when all 4 heart valves are closed. So correct option B, volumetric contraction. During isovolumetric contraction, ventricle contract but no blood flow as all valves are closed. Next है, specific type of RNA splicing that remove introns and joins exon is catalyzed by ribozymes. Splicing is catalyzed by SNRNPS, small nuclear ribonucleoproteins, which function as ribozymes RNA enzyme.